Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andro Giri Putra. I am from class 11 TKJ1 in SMKN 1 Majalaya. In this video, I will discuss module 5 again, but this time in English. Okay, first is timeline. IP version 6 Global Unique Address Assignment. GUA. Select DHCP version 6, configure DHCP version 6 server. Next is IP version IP version 6 GUA assignment. Before understanding stateless address auto configuration or select or DHCP version 6, we must first understand the concept of global unique addresses or GUA and link local addresses LLA. Next is IP version 6 host link local address. And IP version 6 link local addresses is an IP version 6 address automatically generated by a host when an interface becomes active. The host uses ICMP version 6 router advertisement or RA message from the router to obtain information. Here is dynamic GUA, divided into two types, stateless and stateful. In stateless, there are two options, select only and select with DHCP. Meanwhile, in stateful, there is only one option, which is the DHCP version 6 server. And then stateless or select. Stateless address auto configuration is a system or protocol that does not store state information from previous communication. No device or server records or manages the assignment of IP version 6 addresses to client. In here is a select only stateless address auto configuration. The router send RA router advertisement message to provide IP version 6 information, namely providing network prefix length default gateway. The host generates its own GUA address automatically and quickly without the assistance of DHCP version 6. Here is DHCP version 6 server. Stateful configuration. The server provides, record, and process all IP version 6 address information for the client. First is network, default gateway, prefix, LAN, DNS, and large network. Next is Slack with DHCP version 6, stateless and stateful combination, generating own host address or Slack. Requesting additional information, DNS, NTP. Server provides only additional information. It does not manage or log client IP version 6 addresses. Here is RA, router advertisement, is an ICMP version 6 packet sent by a router to a local network or LAN to provide IP version 6 addressing information. Nah, A, address auto configuration stateless. O, other config flag combination. M, manage address configuration stateful. Combination packet array. Select only is not use A or O or M. Nah, select is use A and O. Meanwhile, the DHCP version 6 only use M. This packet RS to RA. RS router solicitation is a request packet sent from a host to a router to obtain IP version 6 configuration information. Last is duplicate address detection. In a status network, a host can verify that a newly generated IP version 6 address is unique. Hosts use the duplicate address detection or DAD process to ensure the uniqueness of an IP version 6 global unique address GUA. To perform DAD, The host sent an ICMP version 6 network solicitation or NS message to a specially designed method multicast address known as the solicited node multicast address. If no device respond with a network advertisement message, the generated IP version 6 address is confirmed to be unique and ready for use. However, if a response is received, the address is not unique and a new address must be generated. Okay, after this we will implement and configure it using Cisco Packet Tracer. Here we are already in Cisco Packet Tracer. We are using a topology with one router, one switch, and one PC. First, we add the IP address in router. Click CLI mode, no. Enable configuration terminal, interface gigabyte 0, and IP version 6 address 201 db8 colon 10 double colon 1/64. After that, no shutdown and exit IP version 6 unicast routing. Now is click the PC, click the desktop IP configuration. In here, automatic. Click the automatic button in the IP version 6 configuration. Okay, IP version 6 request successful. That's all from me. I'm sorry if there were any mistakes in my work or in the configuration. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.